Aren't you so sick of your significant other telling you don't know how to make anything cool? Not anymore. Aren't you sick and tired of having your parents tell you to go pick up your mega cool ramps out in your yard? Not anymore. Aren't you sick and tired of not being able to pull turtles off the road before they get smashed by the car that was driving behind you? Not anymore, you bozo. You know how to make the lounge chair ramp.
Alright, joking aside, this is a pretty extensive project, so let's see if you've got the tools necessary to get this chair built. You'll need a drill, driver, tape measure, spade bit, galvanized pipe, screws, more screws, hinges, bolt locks, 2x6s, 1x6s, 2x4s, a miter saw, circular saw, or crosscut saw, speed square, bandsaw, jigsaw, or coping saw. I will put this list and a link to everything in the description below, so don't worry if you missed all of that. This video is not so much a how-to, but more of an overview of the project. So let me know in the comments if you think you'll build one of these after watching, and enjoy this ridiculous build.
It's literally perfect.
My smile is about to quickly go away because guess what?
It's perfect.
Now we get to dig.
Oh my God. Aren't you sick and tired of your significant other telling you that you don't know how to do anything? You don't know how to get a job or make anything super rad and gnarly? Well, guess what, you dumb? Not anymore. Feast your eyes on this, you silly sacks of soup. That was spooky. Sick and tired of getting turned down every time you go to this stupid dance club? Oh, I know you must be so sick of having to pull your ramp all the way from the garage and all the way out into your yard and then having to haul it all the way back in. Guess what, you bozo? Not anymore!